Okay, you guys, so I'm going to bring two 11-inch balloons together, wrap their neck around the balloons twice, and then tie it to a knot to create a duplet. Then take a 17-inch and 11-inch duplet, twist both sets together to create a quad. Placing my last set of 11-inch balloons, I'm twisting it together, creating a cluster of 6 balloons. I'm using the same technique to build up my balloon garland. In addition to the clusters of 6 balloons, I'm using clusters of 8, quads, duplets, and 5-inch fillers. I'm also using neck-to-neck method to build up my balloon garland. To secure my balloon garland, I use command hooks. To make a 5-inch mini garland, I'm going to stretch and release the air out of my 260, tie a knot at the open tip, and wrap the 260 around the quad in a figure 8 method. Keep adding mini quads until you reach to the end of your 260. Tie the 260 to the neck of your balloon to secure your garland. I'm creating a 260 bracelet to attach quads to my balloon garland. I also use gaffer's tape to secure my hooks the H method's way. So I showed you how I attach my quads, and now I'm adding my duplets the same exact way using the 260 bracelet method. I'm also using the neck method to add in my duplets.